So everybody, this is Bart Jackson. He's been a friend of mine forever. We used to do a little fishing together back in the day and car driving and all kinds of stuff when we were younger.
That was a lifetime ago.
We went out through the curve the other day going to Auburn that me and you did in the RX-7. I told the kids, I said, yeah, I'm really RX-7. We came out. So this is a new net we're going to use today. These are really neat nets. They are the Ego S2 sliders. So you can reach out there and get past the mud. This one's got the long net on it for bigger fish. That's that. We got regular minnows and we got rosy reds today, so I'm gonna hook up one of these guys. Today I've seen several fish swim through this little shallow area, so I'm just throwing this Renoski minnow a little bit, waiting until the kids get here and then I'll get back to work. But while there's only 2 of them here, I might as well fish a little bit. Pretty day, it's gonna be 80 something degrees. There's somebody coming down the road.
I was like, oh, I forgot how rough the driveway is. Should probably slow down.
The driveway's a little rough. Did you drive a BMW?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
That's all I got, except for my dad's Suburban. They're using that.
Take it fall off? That's all right. That one's kind of messed up. Let's try this one.
Hey, Xander.
If those will stay on there. Cast it one time without any bait, give it a real hard sling and see what it's doing.
That's better.
Oh yeah, that'll get you out there. All righty. These are circle hooks, so if you feel that fish taking off with your line, just start reeling and the hook will set itself. You don't have to yank it, because a lot of times you'll pull it out of his mouth.
It wasn't even getting hard enough.
Well, there's your first fish, look at that. Here, hold that. A little shell cracker, looks like.
Shell cracker.
Yeah.
Like spiky.
This cousin of the brim.
It didn't even bite the worm.
Well, he was chewing on it, and you probably picked up the rod and he got it. All right, that was a good one. So the rod never moved at all.
It never moved. It just wiggled a little.
He just sat there and ate it on the bottom. Well, that was good. That's the 3rd fish today.
I cannot cast so well like that.
That's all right. I'm gonna put you back in there. Yeah, just watch that tip. If you see it just bobble at all, you'll know something's got it. So this is Michael. He's Emery's dad. He's already caught 3 bass up in this corner, so I'm gonna rig him up with a GoPro. If he gets some more, we'll get them on camera. Haven't got quite as many people as we did last time, but it is a off day for school, so people maybe got things planned and went out of town or something, but we have got kids catching fish, and everybody seems to be having a good time, so that's what counts. Come here, guy. Get you double hooked in there. Bart, there ain't nothing biting down here.
I had one took the bait off over there. So and you have dead minnow. And you went on and you took it under. I took the minnow. So there's another minnow on. He's live. He's moving real good. So I'm trying to. And too deep for that. Too shallow for this.
Michael's caught 4 over on that corner with a worm. Yeah. Boy caught a shell cracker. The girl right here caught a bass on a shiner. So they're biting a little. They're not going crazy yet, but yeah, they should pick up. It's deep going down through there though.
Yes, right. Deep to put it. He's moving around pretty good, so he's alive. So. But I've been hit twice out in there.
You want to do what?
Let's not do a minnow.
Okay.
That made me sad.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at that. Bass on. All right. That is nice. Caught it on a shiner?
Minnow.
Worm. Oh, minnow, yeah. All right. There you go. Awesome.
What profit now is take a picture of the fish.
3 or 4 pounds. Ah, he's probably 2. You can pull him up. He should be hooked good. Oh yeah, he's nice. Let's see, what hook have we got on this thing? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
He's smaller than I thought.
All right, you want to hold him? I got the video running.
Pretty little bass.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's probably the biggest one I've seen today. Awesome. That is cool. Well, that's what you've been looking for.
This big one's the one they caught for us.
Yep. Yep.
I got a fish on here. Oh, looks like crappie. Got a big one. Here it is. Hook out of him. Here he goes. Nice little crappie. Back in the drink.
That's a crappie.
Yep, little crappie.
All right, Bart, there's a whole cooler of drinks up there, a big white cooler. Hot dogs and hamburgers too. Yep.
All right, you gotta take a picture. Yeah.
Is it your first fish? You gotta kiss it.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.